Welcome back to Daco, your cozy corner for creative home garden inspiration. Today, we're stepping into a charming rustic world filled with whimsical details and clever upcycled decor ideas that can transform even the smallest courtyard into a magical retreat. If you love the idea of turning old, forgotten items into something beautiful and full of character, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through inspiring concepts that blend sustainability with storybook charm. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment to let us know which idea you love most. Your support helps us keep creating more garden inspiration just for you. Rustic garden design is all about warmth, texture, and a sense of history. Think weathered wood, aged metal, and natural materials that tell a story through their imperfections. In a small courtyard, this style works beautifully because it adds depth and personality without requiring a lot of space. Every piece becomes intentional and meaningful. Start by choosing a soft, earthy color palette, muted greens, browns, and faded whites, to create a calm and cohesive atmosphere that feels both inviting and timeless. One of the easiest ways to add rustic charm is by repurposing old containers into planters. Vintage buckets, wooden crates, and even chipped teapots can become beautiful homes for your plants. Mix and match different sizes and materials to create visual interest. A cluster of mismatched containers instantly gives your courtyard that collected, lived-in feel. Don't worry about perfection. Slight wear and tear only enhance the rustic vibe. Just ensure proper drainage so your plants stay healthy and thriving. Even in a small courtyard, a tiny pathway can add structure and charm. Use reclaimed bricks, broken tiles, or stepping stones to create a playful, winding path. You can even incorporate mosaic patterns using leftover materials. This not only reduces waste but also adds a personal artistic touch to your garden. Surround the path with low-growing plants or moss to soften the edges and make the space feel like a hidden garden escape. Old furniture pieces can become stunning focal points in your courtyard. A weathered chair, a small wooden bench, or even an old ladder can be transformed into decorative displays. Use a ladder to hold potted plants or turn a chair into a whimsical plant stand. These unexpected elements add height and dimension to your garden layout. The key is to embrace imperfections. Peeling paint and worn edges add character and authenticity to your rustic theme. Lighting can completely transform your courtyard, especially in the evening. Use upcycled jars, tin cans, or glass bottles to create unique lanterns. String lights draped across walls or fences add a warm, cozy glow that enhances the whimsical atmosphere. Solar-powered options make this both easy and eco-friendly. Soft lighting not only highlights your decor but also makes your garden a perfect spot to relax after a long day. Bring in natural textures like stones, driftwood, and branches to enhance the rustic feel. These elements ground your design and connect it to nature. A small stack of logs or a piece of driftwood can double as decor and functional garden accents. Nature provides some of the best design materials, free and full of character. Layering these elements thoughtfully will make your courtyard feel organic and harmonious, rather than overly styled. What truly makes a garden special are the personal touches. Handmade signs, painted pots, or DIY sculptures can reflect your personality and creativity. Consider incorporating sentimental items, perhaps an old watering can from a family member or a repurposed object with a story behind it. These details turn your courtyard into more than just a garden, it becomes a space filled with memories and meaning. We hope these charming rustic garden ideas inspire you to transform your small courtyard into a whimsical retreat using upcycled decor. With a little creativity, even the simplest space can become something truly magical. Remember, it's not about spending more, it's about seeing potential in what you already have and giving it new life in your garden. Thank you for watching Deco. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and see your garden creations.